Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve exercise 4.3 of chapter practical geometry. Okay, so exercise 4.1 and 4.2 we are already done, and the new topic in exercise 4.3 is when two adjacent sides and three angles of a quadrilateral are given. Means आपको दो adjacent sides और तीन angles quadrilateral के given दिए जाएंगे और आपको quadrilateral को construct करना है. Okay, तो construct a quadrilateral more. The question number 1 is construct a quadrilateral more where MO is 6 centimeter, OR is 4.5 centimeter, angle M is 60, angle O and R are 105 degree. Okay, so how we can construct it? Now look at here, it is the easiest one. First we can draw a rough diagram of more like this. If this is a quadrilateral more, MORE, we know that MO is 6 centimeter and OR is 4.5. These are two adjacent sides, and angle M is 60 degree, angle O is 105, and angle R is also 105. Fine. So now how we can construct our quadrilateral? So let's start. Now first we can draw a line segment MO is equals to 6 centimeter like this. This is M and this is O. This is 6 centimeter. Fine. Now we can construct angle M is equals to 60 degree. So fine, we can open a compass like this, okay, and draw an arc. Like this, and put it here. The first arc is of length angle 60 degree. So this is angle 60 degree. Now we can draw a line segment like this. This is angle 60 degree. Now we can draw another angle 105 degree at O. So we can construct another angle 105 degree. Now again draw an arc like this. This is angle 60, the first arc. Now come to the second one. This one is 120, and the bisector of 60 and 120 is 90 degree. This is 90. So we can draw a dotted line because it is not required angle. So this is 90, and the bisector of 90 and 120 degree is 105. So now I can bisect again like this. So now this angle is 105 degree. Now this angle is 105 degree. Now we need a OR of length 4.5, and OR is on this ray. Okay, so we can open our compass 4.5 centimeter like this, and make an arc from point O on the ray, and this point is R. Fine. Now we can construct another angle 105 degree at R. So now we can construct again. I can open a compass and make an semicircle like this. This is 60, this is 120, this is 90. Okay, it is not required angle, so we can draw it by dotted line. Okay, now the bisector of angle 90 and 120 is 105 degree angle. Now look this. Now this point and this line cuts at this point, and this point is angle E, point E. So here MO RE is a required quadrilateral. Here this angle is 105 and this angle is also 105 degree. Okay, and if you want to check that it is a correct diagram or not, you can find the value of the fourth one angle. Now 105 plus 105, it is 210 plus 60, 270. So now this angle must be of 90 degree. Okay, the sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360. So angle E must be 90 degree. Okay, so now I can write the steps of construction. Steps of construction. In first step, draw a line segment MO is equals to 6 centimeter. Second, draw an angle of 60 degree at point M. Similarly, draw an angle of 105 degree at point O. Now, fourth, make an arc of 4.5 centimeter from point O on the ray, that is the ray ME, not E. Let me consider this is X, OX. Okay, and which cuts the ray OX at point R. Okay, now the fifth point, draw an angle of 105 degree from point R and the ray cuts the MY at point E. This is MY. Okay, the MY, the ray cuts the ray MY at point Y. Okay, that's point E. So now the sixth point, MORE is a required quadrilateral. I hope all of you can understand how we can construct this diagram. Now I can draw another diagram. Okay, there are 4 parts in this exercise. The second part is same as the first part, so I can draw the third. Now in question number 4, we can construct a rectangle OKAY where OK is 7 centimeter and K is 5 centimeter. So look at here, there is no angle is given, but we know that the all angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. So first we can construct a line OK. This is 7 centimeter like this, and it is the easiest question of this exercise because we just draw the 90 degree angles here. So at angle O and K both are 90 degree. So first we can draw a 90 degree angle by using compass, or you can also use a protractor or a D, same as in here. Okay, so now this is 60, this is 120, and this one is 90. Similarly, draw here 60, 120, and 90. Now draw the lines it is the required angles, so we can draw dark lines like this. Okay, and as we need KA is 5 centimeter, so first we can draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Open your compass, 5 centimeter, and make an arc here like this, and similarly like this here. Because it is a rectangle, so means opposite sides are equal. Now you can join these 2 point lines. Okay, so this is A, this is Y. Okay, so this is 5 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, and this one is also 7, this is 5. So it is our required rectangle here. So now I can write the steps of construction. The steps of construction. First step, draw a line segment. Seven centimeter is equals to OK. Make an angle of 90 degree at point O and K. Let us consider this is X, this is Y, Z. Okay. So now third, draw an arc of length 5 centimeter on KX and OZ. Fourth one, which cuts the OX at point A and KX at point A and OZ at point Y. Okay. So now fifth one, join A and Y. So now sixth one, OKAY is a required rectangle. So this is the last question of your exercise. So in next video we will meet with next topic in exercise 4.4. Stay tuned and watch the complete videos and learn how to draw the quadrilaters when different conditions